Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter languages and input and tap on the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got 4 of them here. So let's simply tap on add a language. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. And all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick Turkish. Usually, or maybe not usually, but sometimes you will be also able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the list, but still we've got the English as a main one set. So in order to pick the language you'd like to, you just add it here, just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see, you can move it. So let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, actually immediately the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So let me do it again. Just tap on English and drag it to the first position, and the same situation, it is immediately changed. Of course, you can remove the languages from this list if you want to. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. And here you can mark the ones you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change a system language in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.